Do you know what conditions need to be fulfilled to install energy storage with company? Get these 3 points you will understand. Come and get the key points with Miss Sui together.
Hi everyone, this is Miss Xu. Welcome to Dyness Energy Talkshow. If a company wants to install energy storage, there are 3 conditions you need to know. Number 1, transformer load. Specifically, you need to check whether the load capacity of the company's transformer meets the charging and the discharging conditions of the energy storage system. So, how to calculate it specifically? According to Electric Power Engineering Design Manual, the transformer capacity should be selected according to the calculated load. The smooth load supply of a single transformer. The load rate is generally taken about 85%. Number 2, installation site. If your company wants to install the energy storage system, it must be in line with the installation conditions of the construction site. Firstly, the site is located outdoors, and there is no dangerous chemical warehouse within 20 meters. Secondly, as close as possible to the power distribution room. The furthest distance from the power distribution room should not exceed 100 meters. Number 3, whether the photovoltaic is installed. If the photovoltaic is installed, it is still unable to meet your company's power needs. Then it can design a free solutions for your energy storage system. Photovoltaic is instability. Energy storage can be up to the top. Together with Dyness, discover your nature.